So what we've done with these vegetable seedlings, we've bought them in little punnets, and we're just putting them up into little 1-inch tubes, and that they develop really quickly, and they've got really good strong roots, and they're completely hardened off as you plant them, so you don't get any losses due to transplant shock. So we'll put them in there, sit them in a little bit deeper, and make sure when you push them down you've got a little bit of a sort of a circular patch here that catches the water. So this is the last of the seasons of planting of the brassicas, which the brassica family are things like cabbages and cauliflowers and broccoli and things like that. And what tends to happen as we go into summer, in the southern hemisphere, that they tend to get some of the bugs like cabbage moth. So if you plant them now, it's probably about the latest you want to plant these sort of things, and then you can do another batch planting for the autumn.